Tonkean is a human-centric process automation platform that transforms the way people and systems work together. Tonkean bot workers are automating thousands of business processes a day and seamlessly orchestrating workflows across enterprise systems like Intercom, Zendesk, Salesforce, Slack, Google, and 1,000 more. There are endless processes that Tonkean can orchestrate for businesses, such as customer support, auditing processes, approval processes, and many more. In this demo, we will go through how to orchestrate a support escalation process using 3 systems: Intercom, Zendesk, and Slack. To start automating your workflow, you create a new bot worker. Bot workers are AI-powered bots that can monitor, coordinate, and execute business workflows you define. You can either start from scratch or use a pre-built template, which expedites how quickly you can start automating your processes. There are templates available for processes across your business in support, product, auditing, and more. We'll use the support handling template. This support handling template uses native connections to Intercom and Zendesk. There are native integrations to 100 plus more enterprise systems and webhook integrations to 1,000 plus more. In the workflow builder, you can build or edit your workflows in an intuitive graphical interface. Here, you see the full end-to-end flow for support handling. Let me walk you through how this flow works across systems and teams. Unlike simple integration platforms, Tonkean works off of the concept of a workflow bot that is actively monitoring the state of a process. Thus, more than just simple if something happens, then do something type of logic, you can build sophisticated logic into workflows for when something happens, and take that logic across multiple different paths. Here, this workflow will monitor all conversations in Intercom, and when a conversation is created, automatically open a new ticket in Zendesk. Now, because Tonkean remembers the state of previously opened conversations and linked Zendesk tickets, when that same conversation is closed in Intercom, Tonkean can also automatically associate the full transcript with the ticket in Zendesk. While the first couple of workflows were integrations between 2 systems, these next workflows show how Tonkean can then orchestrate the workflow between multiple people and systems. This next flow assigns the owner of a new conversation. However, rather than doing it on a simple rotating schedule of next available agent or doing it at random, Tonkean allows you to add additional logic on top of the basic workflow. On this next workflow step, Tonkean has specified a new field called OpenAgent. This field is calculated based on inputs from Zendesk, such as last busy time, which is the last time this agent was busy, and making sure that this agent is not currently away, pulled from the field away mode enabled. With Tonkean, you now have the ability to augment the capabilities of your underlying systems with additional business rules and logic to better orchestrate your workflows. Support organizations are also increasingly using enterprise collaboration platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams to improve collaboration. However, the downside of this collaboration is that many conversations happen in Slack and is not captured by the rest of the systems, like Intercom or Zendesk. This leads to lost visibility and context for support processes. With Tonkean, you can now make both your people and process work better by connecting how your team actually works with how your business needs them to work. For this, I'll show you Tonkean in action. First, let me start as a user in Intercom. I'm going to start an Intercom conversation because I need some help. Automatically behind the scenes, because of the integration that Tonkean has facilitated between Intercom and Zendesk, a Zendesk ticket is automatically created and associated with the Intercom conversation. Now, let's say I'm a Tier 1 agent and I need to escalate this ticket. Without having to go directly into Zendesk or elsewhere, I simply can type a #escalate command. Now, because my Tier 2 support team is monitoring a Slack channel, without having to go directly into Zendesk, a message will be sent to a channel in Slack that looks something like this, or anywhere else you need, depending on what systems you're using. Here, a Tier 2 support agent can simply claim that ticket with a simple click. Then, a conversation can be continued in Slack for this particular ticket between the two agents to discuss the backgrounds and details of the escalation. Normally, all of this conversation is going to be lost. Tonkean will automatically add a comment for every new message to the Zendesk ticket to maintain a running record, without the agents ever needing to manually fill out notes. With Tonkean, by orchestrating and automating key processes across systems and people in support organizations, you can empower your team to do what they do best, providing a great customer experience. The rest of the backend will take care of itself. To learn more, visit us at tonkean.com/usecases/support.